Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, today's going to be a desk setup, so this is going to be the end result, as you can see here. But yeah, so this is going to be my whole, like a time lapse of the whole process of me setting this desk. So yeah, before we get started, make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and consider subscribing. Cheers. So we start with an empty desk. So when I just moved in, this is the desk at my uni accommodation. It's pretty big, so we could fit everything in. So let me just start by laying the mouse mat and setting up like the mount for the monitor and my laptop. So yeah, just clarify like assembling the clamp for the mount. Like, as this is like a uni accommodation, I can't draw anything on the wall or anything like that, so clamp is really useful, or comes really useful. Yeah, now just clamping it to one edge of the table, and as you can see, that tray is for the laptop to sit on, and like the clip is like for the wiring. Assembling like the monitor mount at the back, and just then we could attach the arm to the clamp. Now tighten the arm for the monitor to be stable, and yeah, the monitor is mounted to the clamp now. Now connecting all the wires, such as the power and like the USB-C, which connects to the monitor, and the like the laptop, connecting the mouse and keyboard. Just doing some wire management or cable management to make everything clean, because yeah, this is going to be my workspace, so let me just release all the random wires. This is just like a bamboo stand for like my Apple Watch and like a phone holder kind of thing. Just plugging that in. This is like an accessory kit for the pens, post-it notes, staple, glue, scissors, then papers on the side, and like a lamp in the middle. So yeah, this is just a quick like middle update before I add all the lights and special features. Now let me just unbox the Philips hub light. I think it's called like the mood light. I think I did like a video, if you could check it out, you could check it out on the top right hand corner. Just saying the color for the mood light to fix with the atmosphere. As everyone knows, the cable management is the long part because there's wires everywhere, but you can't do anything about it, so I did to my best ability. Now I'm just adding the Elgato ring light. And just fixing the height of the mount for the light to sit on, because like it's next to the monitor screen, right? So I don't want it to hit the top of the bezel on the monitor. So just setting the right height and like the position of the mount on the desk. And adding the phone call, and now connecting the power for the light. Oh yeah, now this is what it looks like when everything is set. The mood light makes a massive difference. It creates the atmosphere, right? So when the light is off, it looks really nice. Here is just from all the angle and zoomed out. Yep, that's it. Easy process, right? It's long, but it looks clean, so why not? But yeah, hope you enjoy. Make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe below.